Hi, I'm Claire from english-at-home.com. In today's 1-minute lesson, how to say the th sound in English. The most important thing to remember is to put your tongue between your teeth. Th. So we say thing, think, thank. Not thing, but thing. Not think, but think. Thing, think, thank. Remember, you also need the th sound in the middle of words. So something, nothing, not something or nothing, but something, nothing. You also have to remember the th sound in phrases. This is a little bit more difficult. So, fine, thank you. Remember the tongue between the teeth. Fine, thank you. Not fine, thank you, but fine, thank you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.